Welcome back to RVenture Life. If you've been searching for a travel trailer that breaks away from the traditional RV formula, today's tour is going to be a fun one. There are plenty of lightweight campers on the market, but every now and then something comes along that looks completely different from the crowd. That's exactly what we're checking out today. This is the 2026 Keystone Reign 13RK, and right from the first glance, it's obvious that this isn't your average compact travel trailer. Whether you're looking for a lightweight adventure rig, a comfortable campground camper, or something capable of getting farther off the beaten path, this little trailer packs a surprising amount of capability into a very compact footprint. One of the first things that grabs your attention is the exterior finish. Instead of the traditional corrugated metal siding or conventional fiberglass walls found on most travel trailers, this camper uses a true automotive-style aluminum exterior. The finish gives it a sleek and modern appearance that stands out immediately, and it brings a level of durability and long-term visual appeal that many RV buyers appreciate. The color treatment gives the trailer a premium automotive look, making it feel more like a purpose-built adventure vehicle than a conventional camper. And because of the way it's constructed, owners can expect it to maintain that attractive appearance for years down the road. Now, let's talk size and weight, because that's where this trailer becomes especially interesting. The Reign 13RK is the smallest model in the lineup, coming in at under 3,000 pounds with an overall length of approximately 17.5 feet from bumper to tongue. That lightweight design opens the door to a wider range of tow vehicles and makes maneuvering much easier whether you're heading into a campground or exploring more remote destinations. Starting at the front of the trailer, you'll find dual 20-pound propane tanks mounted on the tongue. That's a feature you don't always see in a camper this size, and it's a big advantage for travelers who like spending extended time away from hookups. Just behind the propane setup is a power tongue jack, making hitching and unhitching faster and easier. It's one of those conveniences that quickly becomes something you never want to live without once you've used it. You'll also find an integrated battery management area that houses key 12-volt components while providing a convenient battery disconnect function. It's designed to simplify power management and improve overall usability when the trailer is parked or stored. Moving down underneath, you'll discover that the chassis receives special attention as well. The frame construction is designed for durability, and additional protective coatings help defend against corrosion and long-term wear. These details may not be the flashy features buyers immediately notice, but they're the kind of upgrades that matter years later. Another impressive feature is the solar setup. This trailer already includes roof-mounted solar capability from the factory, allowing the battery system to remain charged while supporting the trailer's 12-volt functions. For campers who enjoy boondocking or spending time away from traditional hookups, that's a major advantage. There's also an additional solar connection available for portable solar panels. This allows owners to park the trailer comfortably in the shade, while positioning portable panels out in direct sunlight for maximum efficiency. Inside the pass-through storage compartment, you'll find key electrical components including the solar controller. This area also showcases the aluminum structural framing and overall attention to detail that went into the trailer's construction. And speaking of storage, it's genuinely impressive. Considering the overall size of this camper, the amount of exterior storage available is remarkable. The compartment offers plenty of room for camping gear, tools, hoses, chairs, and other essentials, making it easier to stay organized on longer trips. As we continue around the trailer, you'll notice the frameless tinted windows. Not only do they contribute to the modern appearance of the RV, but they also help reduce heat gain while providing a clean, upscale look. However, the biggest story here might be the construction itself. Instead of relying on traditional wood flooring, this trailer uses a composite floor system engineered to resist moisture and provide excellent durability. Water intrusion is one of the biggest concerns many RV owners have, and reducing the amount of wood used in critical structural areas helps provide additional peace of mind. Behind the exterior skin, additional composite materials replace many of the wood components commonly found in traditional travel trailers. The result is a structure designed to be lighter, stronger, and more resistant to moisture-related concerns. For many buyers, that wood-reduced construction is one of the most attractive features of the entire trailer. Now, let's talk about capability. This camper rides on 15-inch all-terrain tires, paired with heavy-duty steel fenders and a torsion axle suspension system. Unlike traditional leaf spring suspension setups, torsion axles provide a smoother towing experience while allowing each wheel to react more independently to uneven terrain. For campers who enjoy exploring rougher roads, dispersed camping areas, and off-grid destinations, that's a valuable advantage. Underneath the trailer, you'll also find an enclosed underbelly, helping protect vital systems from road debris, dirt, and the challenges that come with more adventurous travel. At the rear, a full-size spare tire is mounted and ready for unexpected situations, while 30-amp service and additional exterior storage access continue the trailer's practical design philosophy. You'll also find a tankless water heater system, providing hot water on demand without relying on a traditional storage tank. Now let's head inside. The moment you step into the Reign 13RK, it's easy to forget that you're standing inside a camper weighing less than 3,000 pounds. The front sleeping area is positioned to maximize comfort while making efficient use of available space. There are charging ports conveniently located nearby, making it easy to keep phones, tablets, and other devices powered up. Storage compartments beneath the bed provide additional room for personal items, shoes, pet supplies, or camping essentials. Above the bed, overhead storage cabinets offer convenient locations for books, small gear, and everyday items. Blackout shades help improve privacy and create a darker sleeping environment when it's time to relax. Turning around toward the rear of the trailer, you'll find a side-mounted sofa and one of the most distinctive features of this floor plan, the rear kitchen. Because this trailer doesn't use a slide-out, every inch of available space has been carefully utilized to maximize functionality. The rear kitchen delivers generous counter space and a surprisingly open feel for such a compact trailer. Entertainment is handled by a smart television positioned for comfortable viewing, while thoughtful touches throughout the interior help create a welcoming atmosphere. The refrigerator and freezer combination provides plenty of cold storage for extended trips, and nearby overhead storage keeps frequently used items within easy reach. One of the standout kitchen features is the composite countertop material. It's designed to deliver the appearance and durability of premium solid surface countertops, while remaining lightweight and practical for travel trailer applications. The oversized sink includes a cover that doubles as additional workspace, making meal preparation easier in a compact environment. A deep sink basin, modern faucet design, and functional workspace help make the kitchen feel larger than expected. The sofa also converts into an additional sleeping area, bringing total sleeping capacity to 3 people comfortably. Additional lighting controls throughout the trailer allow owners to adjust brightness levels and create the perfect atmosphere, whether relaxing after a long day or preparing for an early morning adventure. Finally, let's take a look at the bathroom, Many compact campers rely on wet bath designs, where the toilet sits directly inside the shower area. This trailer takes a different approach. The bathroom separates the toilet and shower functions, creating a more comfortable and user-friendly experience. The shower includes a skylight overhead for additional headroom and natural light, while the ventilation fan helps maintain airflow throughout the space. Additional outlets, storage solutions, a mirror, and convenient bathroom accessories round out the room. For a camper of this size, the bathroom delivers a surprisingly comfortable experience. At the end of the day, the 2026 Keystone Reign 13 RK is designed for travelers who want something lightweight, easy to tow, adventure-ready, and packed with smart construction features. Whether your goal is off-grid exploration, weekend camping trips, or long-distance travel, thanks for joining us here on RVenture Life. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and let us know what feature stands out most to you. Until next time, safe travels and happy camping.